Hello fellow YouTubers. 11 months ago I uploaded a short film titled Emphysema Man, and during that 11 months I've received a lot of comments, and the comments keep coming. In fact, I received a comment yesterday from a channel owner who goes under the name of Bad Boy, and his comment reads, "What really annoys me about the emergency services is they have no respect for people with breathing problems, but to judge patients." My reply to you, Bad Boy, which unfortunately I couldn't send, which happens from time to time, I don't know why that happens, but it does, was that fortunately I have to date never had to avail myself of emergency services for my breathing problem. However, if you are talking from first-hand experience, then I really feel for you. If someone is having breathing problems and there is nothing worse to experience not being able to breathe, then that should take top priority, whether you go to the emergency section of a hospital or you call for an ambulance, and not some patronising individual asking if you smoke or not. That would give me the impression that if you say you're a smoker, oh, they'll just put you on the bottom rung of the ladder. No, that's just not on. The priority is to treat that patient, and once the patient has been treated, I think it's only natural and normal medical procedure for the doctor to ask if you're a smoker or not. It just goes on record. When you go to a doctor, and I know this from first-hand experience, with a breathing problem, they will ask if you smoke or not, and I think that's justified. Now, I have been to an emergency section of a hospital before, but not for any breathing problems, as I said. But if someone did, and the triage nurse asked if they smoked or not, and they happen to say yes, I'm a smoker, it would seem to me that they would judge, as Bad Boy said, and just put you on the long waiting list. Whereas they should be treating the symptoms rather than what they think is the cause. Anyhow, I want to thank Bad Boy for his comment. I want to thank everyone else again for their comments, and I thank you very much for watching. Not only Emphysema Man, but for watching this video too. Until next time, bye for now.